Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can move drawing on the calendar with an S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So you can see here on my calendar I have some drawing. The first thing that you want to do is first open up the calendar and pull out your S Pen. Then I'm going to go into the app screen and open up the calendar app. Next, to be able to move the drawings on your calendar around the screen, you tap on the edit button to go into edit mode, and then you want to tap on the select button and then select the part of the drawing where you want to move. So for example, if I want to move this birthday drawing, I can select it and then I can drag it to a new location. So that is how you can move them around. You can also resize the drawing while it is selected, and then from there you can move it around. And that's it. And after that, you can tap on the save button to save your changes. And that is how you can move drawing around the screen on the calendar with an S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.